What is going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't even know, like, that weird morning period where it's like the witching hour. Whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, welcome to the channel, or if you've been here before, welcome back. Today was kind of another one of these one-off videos where I wasn't really planning to make a video, but it just kind of so happens that, well, I've been given an opportunity to make a video for you guys. So I got some big news for you guys today. I have one thing that we've had at Powder Coat for the longest time. Finally is all done. It is getting shipped to the house. You guys will get to see the reveal. And I got another part coming for that component of the truck. As you guys saw in the last video, I've already sent out all the badges for paint match. So we are still waiting on the badges and my grill to come in so we can install those and we can get this truck looking super good. Another thing that I'm saving up for, because I said it in the last video, is tint. Yes, we will be tinting the truck and getting rid of that fishbowl effect. But without further ado, we have a guest coming on the channel today that we've had in a past video. You guys will have to go through and find it, or I'll just link it right up there. But with that being said, I will catch y'all when him and Philip get here, because Philip just got out of work. I'm waiting on him to come to the house. I guess we're going to be doing some motor work on a truck today. So this can be a little bit of a vlog / an informative video, because I don't know anything about the motor that we're working on today, but I've always wanted to learn, always wanted to just, get my hands dirty and turn wrenches. So I will catch y'all when they get here. About time you showed up. Mr. Man had to do his laundry, even though I have a washer and dryer.
I got a whole wet bag in the back.
Oh, okay. Well, I got a dryer.
Yeah, that's kind of why I brought it.
So, obviously, the man, the myth, the legend is here. But for today's video, this was the special surprise that I was hiding from you guys for all the last 2 seconds that you actually watched the video. We have Trevor back. And this is the first time I've ever had a Cummins in the garage. Hey, Trevor, why don't you tell everybody what you did to your truck?
I broke it.
He did. He broke a sway bar link. And how did you do it?
Giving her hell.
All the horse
Fucking
torques.
sending it.
4-wheel drive boosted launches, am I right? So, I know in the one video that Trevor was in, we just kind of quickly looked under the hood, but she got a big old 369 under there. So we're doing that, and then he's adjusting his valves today on this tank of a truck, man. Have you raced Philip yet?
I hadn't.
Question.
Who do you think will win?
I don't know. I really don't.
Question, how do I use the dryer?
Yes, actually.
All right, I'll show you. Okay, guys, so we have the actual broken sway bar end link off of Trevor's truck right here. As you can see, this thing is totally done for. That's bad. So we just hammered it out, and you can see where it snapped from that 4-wheel drive boosted launch with all 300 horsepower his truck makes. Just kidding. But these are the new ones that Trevor's putting in. These big old honkers that he got from I don't even know where. Probably Napa. AutoZone. Huh. And they come with Zerk fittings. That's nice. So hopefully these ones last a little bit longer than these shrinky dink little ones that he's got in here. I don't even know where that one is. Oh, there it is. So basically, you have 2 nuts, one on top, one on bottom. The one on bottom, I know for a fact, is a 15 deep well, because that was the only one that we had left on the other side. The top one, I'm going to assume, is the same. And you basically just take them off, beat the snot out of them till they come out. And then, like Trevor's doing on the other side, you just install it. Pretty simple swap. It's really good if you want to, keep the front end from bouncing around a whole lot. And looks like he's got a little oil leak right there. But we will remedy that at some point in the near future. good?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just over there all quiet and stuff, you know.
No, I act like a sports shooter at times.
Wow. That was
Oh,
yeah, we're probably gonna edit that one out.
Probably would be a good idea, or else this whole entire video would go under surveillance.
Actually, you know what's funny? In the video 2 videos ago where you snapped the leg off of the tripod, I had to edit out you swearing a whole bunch and didn't even realize that you did it when I was filming. Well, boys, I sent her a little too freaking hard, bud. I hope my radiator isn't cracked. Oh, shite. I snapped your other one, bud. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It was bound to happen.
It was bound to happen, and it's a good thing that was the old one. But that just goes to show you how not so safe these were. I mean, I snapped that clean in half. I broke it.
You did.
Oh yeah, she go right in there.
Well, in other news, I know that the stock top bolts, or top nut, is a 5/8. I found that out before I butchered this. So, I mean, we got the other one kind of in. Does that work now?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Just I wouldn't crank down on it so you can get the other side in. Yeah, I had to remove the other one so we could get the sway bar to come up enough so that the bottom could slide into its hole and go to its home. In the famous words of Andy Samberg, or not Andy Samberg, Adam Sandler.
About to say that's Happy Gilmore saying.
I'll edit that out too. That's all you're gonna see in the video is it's gonna be like that. And it's gonna be like Andy Samberg, Adam Sandler, and then it's gonna be like I'm gonna edit that out too. So whenever you see me point at Philip and say I'm gonna edit that out, it's usually because he cursed, because he's a bad, bad boy. Wash your mouth out with soap.
F all.
He loves me. But once we get this sucker all put together, we're doing your valves next. What do you need to do with them?
I need to adjust the valve lash.
Ah, the lash. The lash of the valves. It's a grand old time in these Cummins. But the good thing about this truck is it's a stick. How much do you think you're putting to the ground?
Mid-6s right now. With stock CP.
How much do you think you're putting to the ground?
Low 6.
Low 6s.
Yeah. Right now, until I get better tune, or bigger tune rather.
So we got a mid-6 truck. We got a low 6 truck back out there. And then we got the good old 6 slow truck. The what?
Oh, you heard it.
I didn't hear it. I want you to say it though,
You
because
got
it's
the mid 6, then you got the low 6, and then you got the way below 6.
he's not wrong. It is way below 6. I don't even think I'm breaking 4. But that's because I'm on a can tune. But that will be changing soon if this page gets big enough and we can get the funds to build that truck. So yeah. Huh?
What?
Huh? You're doing great work.
Oh, fuck.
Alrighty guys, so we got the sway bar end links all done up. And now it's time to fix some valve lash. That's a nice arrow you got on the back of your arm.
Oh.
It makes literally a perfect arrowhead. So from what I understand for doing this is you get the crankshaft to top dead center. There's a little mark, you can see it. We had Trevor under the truck and I was on top with the light. I watched it come to top dead center, and now you take the valve cover off, and then it's something to do with tolerances. So we have a feeler gauge right there. And you pretty much get the rockers, right?
Yep.
getting the rockers into a certain tolerance so that way she runs nice and smooth and doesn't really chatter. How often does this usually happen?
I think they recommend adjusting them like every 50,000 miles or something.
Oh, that's not that bad.
These have not been adjusted in that.
You done playing with my airsoft guns?
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about Cummins, so if I say anything stupid and you're a Cummins watcher, please don't judge.
I have no clue what that is. People are probably going to see this and be like, no, you idiot, do it this way. It's the first time I've ever done this.
Well, while he fiddles with that, in other news, I got bored. So I didn't start that side yet, but over here it used to say heavy duty. You can see where the paint chips are because he tried peeling it off with his fingers and it would just chip paint. But I took my rubber eraser wheel and some Goo Gone. You can still kind of see it, but I've been getting rid of all this so that way, you know, his tailgate looks a little cleaner. I mean, that's cracked on the inside, it looks like. Don't mind the rust. It's a
Poppy. Bitch, that's all you.
get it. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. That looks hefty.
It's warm oil. It's very warm oil, actually.
Hot like lava.
What? What?
I just get bored and... That was really weird. I'm gonna cut that out because he's in mini pants. But he's just so cute.
I'm not cute.
It's a creature.
I think that's a creature. You should have seen. You're a dirty creature. I got more of those if you need them. All right, guys. So we skipped majority of the work because I don't know really what's going on. There was a lot more involved than I thought. Put the crank at top dead center. You do half of the valves. Then you have to put it to top. Not top bottom center, but very bottom center. You put it to very bottom center, and then once it's at very bottom center, you do the other half of the valves. And we just finished all that up. Well, I can't say we. Trevor just finished all that up. And now it's time to put everything back together and hope nothing leaks.
Keyword hope.
Big keyword. So hopefully, I don't know how the lighting is and the exposure and all that, but hopefully we can get this bad boy fired up before it gets too dark and before Lane gets here, because Lane's coming over. I'm gonna do a little bonfire. We're gonna hang out and shoot the shiz. I'll leave you guys right here. If I can't get to the outro tonight, I will definitely do it in the morning. That'll be like the first thing I do. And then I know I've been saying it for like 3 or 4 videos now, but we're gonna try and get Philip's truck one take truck review update done this weekend because we keep slacking on it, but we're gonna make it work. Okay guys, so it is now Saturday, as in the day of the week. It is Saturday morning. As you can tell, I'm in different clothes. Trevor went back to the barracks. We didn't get the valve lash, well, he didn't get the valve lash done correctly, the adjustment done correctly, so there's still some slight chatter coming from the rocker arms and the valves, but for the most part, it is doing a lot better. Sorry, the dog is like, she's everywhere with me today. Right? We go everywhere together. Not really. I wish I could take her everywhere. I gotta get her one of those emotional support animal things, but sit. Good girl. But it is a new day, so I'm gonna leave you guys on this video. So with that being said, you guys do what you guys do the best. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave a comment, Let me know what you guys think. Please turn on the bell notification if you can. Like I've been saying in each one of my videos, and I will say it until I get it remedied. Make sure that you try and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload, and I will catch y'all on the flip side.